Hi there, Angel here. Just want to give you two quick updates. I've added in your help dashboard for faculty a file here to force syncing from the gradebook. I know that there's a little bit of a lag sometimes with the grades coming over from MindTap. So one thing that we can do is force it. And if you go into the gradebook feature or gradebook option, in MindTap, you can get there by clicking on this little green thing or the gradebook word that's visible underneath the screen. And when you get here, click on this gradebook tab, and then you can open up gradebook actions and force LMS sync, and then it should allow them to be pulled over. Still might take a little bit of a lag, but wanted to let you know about that. Secondly, I wanted to tell you that these checkboxes are not working right for our students because the way that the grades are coming over doesn't actually trigger that feature. So I want to show you how to change these so that students can mark them themselves. So here I've done a few of them, but here this one I'm going to go to edit settings. And then when that comes open, we have activity completion, and we're going to allow students to manually mark their grades as complete as they do them. That's one action. If you could do it if you would rather to let the students see it, but I'm going to make the master say that they can actually mark them complete as they are satisfied with their grades. That's what I'll be telling my students to do. So just a quick video to give you the steps on how to do this. It will change these boxes to be solid instead of dotted or dashed box. So I'll scroll back down so you can see that here. So I just did that 2.31 right there, and you can see that it's solid instead of dashed. So if you have any other things or questions that you'd like some help with in your course, don't forget to email me. I've been responding to adjuncts as they've had questions, so hopefully that's attending to all the needs you might have. Thanks so much.